Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to fix your slow Steam downloads. So the first thing you'll have to do is open up Steam, of course, and as you can see I'm already here in my Steam, and now you want to go to your Steam settings. Locate your downloads right here, and then select the download region right here, whatever is closest to you, of course. So you want to check out all the countries right here and the very closest server to you. So the closest server will bring you the fastest connection in your actual downloads. So you don't want to limit your download speeds, and you also want to try to throttle down as well streaming, or you want to clear your download cache right here so that it will reset. Basically, it's going to shut down your Steam and then it's going to reset it. And then you're going to be able to have a clear, fresh Steam right there. And then basically, it's going to relaunch. And then once it's relaunched already, you're going to be all right. And there you go. It's just that simple. So there you go, guys. That is how you do it. And now, as you can see, I'm just going to log in again. And there you go.